Hi there, I'm Eitan, and welcome back to the Wix Wiz. So today's video is just an intro, and I'm going to be telling you what we're doing in the upcoming month of December. And if you can see what I have here behind me, then you can probably guess, yes, we are going to be talking about OpenAI's new updates that they announced during the first developer conference, which was on November 6th. And there are a lot of cool things to check out. So of course we have some updates to the basic models that we've been familiar with, the basic endpoints of chat completion. So if it's updated GPT-4 with more context, updates to function calling, and new modes like response format and providing a seed for consistent responses. Except for that, we also have some other cool stuff in chat completion, such as vision. So basically giving a prompt that is an image and not only text. We have some updates to image generation as well through dall-e 3. We have text to speech to play with. And we have this really new cool API called Assistance API, which basically takes a lot of the functionality that you might have to use several platforms for in terms of providing context and using embeddings and using vector databases, etc., and bundling it all into a service that OpenAI provides. And we're going to play around with that a bit as well. And each of the videos in this upcoming series is going to have two stages. So one is going to be the playground stage where we test an individual API in on itself and get kind of a one-off question and response. And then we are going to take that knowledge that we gain and implement it into something more like a chatbot. So here you can see kind of the vision working. I provided an image and we get a response from the AI describing what it is, and try and bundle it all together into this super chatbot that has almost all of the capabilities, the new capabilities that OpenAI is providing for us. And this series is going to be accompanied by templates, which will be available shortly towards the end of this week on the Wix Wiz website for a small, at a small cost. For you to be able to follow along and try it out together if you're interested. And we're going to be starting off from the very basics. So you don't need to have any prior knowledge in OpenAI and the, ChatGPT and the chat completions endpoint, even though we've touched on it in the channel several times before. I'm kind of going back to the basics. We're going to start off with a refresher on how to use the chat completions endpoint, and you should be seeing that coming out towards the end of this week. As I said, this is the plan for the month of December. So I hope you're really excited because I know that I am. I can tell you that a bunch of the videos are already ready and I'm working on the rest. But yeah, so if you want to follow along and see those videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet, so you get those alerts about the new videos. And feel free to leave me comments on this video, letting me know kind of what you're hoping and expecting to see from the series, because it's still in the making, so there is still a chance to make a change and decide what will be in this series. So I'm curious to hear your comments, and I hope to see you later this week.